So this is the last for the season, last of my peppers for the season. I'll turn the camera and show you around. I'm wearing this because um wasp took up my mailbox out there. I just went out to put some stuff in the mail, but wasp took up my mailbox and I had to, protecting my face from them. Anyway, I went out and sprayed them and I think they're gone. But anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what's going on, and this might be the last showing of my peppers for 2024, because as you can see, some of the leaves are yellowing. See, they're yellowing. Look at that. Yeah, the weather is changing. I mean, it's August, but it's changing already. You can feel it with the breeze and everything. So I'm gonna pick as much as I can today. As well, I picked some yesterday, but I didn't come inside in the inner section here, so they're falling. I have to pick them up. But I'm picking as much as I can, picking off what's here. And I made 2 sets of sauces this year so far. Just finished bottling them up yesterday. And might make another one because I want them to last, because sometimes after a while they sell off and I don't have enough to sell. So yeah, this is the last of it, and you can see they're not as big as they were before. Some of them, at least. Some of them are still big, but some of them are not as big as they were before. See? Yeah, so I'm just gonna pick what I can reach. And well, there's still a lot of younger ones on the tree. It's like they're always bearing, and they're always having different stage of growth, but when it gets cold there won't be any more. So find one under here. See, here's one. Yeah, when it gets colder they won't be bearing. They'll dry off. Whatever is on it will dry off. Let me show you something. See, I'm out here with my machete. Not joking. They say that there's a lot of I've been seeing on the message boards for the community that there's a lot of deers are around. Well, we know we have a lot of deers, as I mentioned before, but there's deers and there's coyotes. They've been walking even on the street. So I am prepared. Of course, the school bus has to come now to make all this noise, but I am prepared with my machete. You think I could manage them with this machete? You think I could manage a bear with this machete? Oh my God, that's funny. Yeah, so I'm gonna go pick the peppers. So hopefully I'll get another. I think I'll get more. I'll get more peppers, but it won't be a big bumper crop like I was getting before in the summer. That's why you gotta and some people have questions, and I'm gonna address the questions. One of the things I find that when it gets cooler, the peppers are not as hot as they were before. So peppers definitely don't like cold. They don't like cold. They don't like cool weather. They want hot sun. So I've had an occasion where I bought couple plants indoors one year, and I used to carry them indoors when I was in New York, but since I come to Georgia I didn't even bother. But anyway, I brought them indoors and the peppers were ripening up, and I had them there for about a week, and they look so good. So I picked the pepper and cut it, and do you know, I could bite the pepper and not feel a thing. The pepper had no heat, and that was my first experience. And if you have peppers, when it get cooler, try them and see. you'll notice the same thing. They don't have as much heat as they had when the sun was hot. So yeah, that's the thing about peppers. Well, at least Scotch Bonnet, because that's my experience. At least with hot peppers, really, I think all of them are the same. But I don't know why, because you can grow them in greenhouse. But I suspect that the ones grown in greenhouse is not going to be as hot as the one out in the sun. Somebody should check into that. I think the hot peppers that grow in greenhouse might not be as hot as the one. See, look at all this one here now. That small pepper tree never got anywhere because I just discovered it growing somewhere the other day, and I put it in here. But it's not gonna get big. It's not gonna bear. So as you can see, there's also I put some peas in here. I took some of my red peas that I used to cook rice and put them stick them in the soil out here in the pots with the pepper. But they're not gonna come too much. Yeah, I know that the weather is changing, so they're not gonna bear. And I did them late. So I got a nice little batch here in my lap. Yeah, and I'm still picking. So these are what I got from my picking peppers this morning. It's a good size, it's a good amount in the bag. Yeah, and I got some small tomatoes. What do they call them? Little tomatoes that you put in there, cook up, So guys, I want to know how your peppers did this year. 2 people, one in England and one here in Georgia. I know their peppers. Well, the one in England, DW, I'm talking to you. I know you just see peppers coming out. Don't know if they're gonna survive. And for Miss Joyce here in Georgia, she maybe got 5 peppers. She said I'm gonna send her some peppers. But this is it for this year with the peppers. So if you have any questions about peppers or whatever else it is, you can post them below this video. I'm signing off with more peppers are out there, but I've been picking because this video was done since August, as you might have heard, but I'm still picking, a few because there's still peppers on the tree. So until it gets very cold, I'll still be picking. And when it get cold that they can't get any riper, I'm gonna pick off all the green ones. Thanks for your views. Please subscribe if you haven't. Ask any questions below. Appreciate.